Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 here. This is a battery-operated chiming wall clock that is here at a family member's house. And it's a dual chime battery-operated clock, does the Westminster and the Wittington chime. It's currently set on Wittington. I believe this thing is a Seiko, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So this is in the living room, and you may hear faintly a clock in one of the bedrooms, which I will be filming as well for you guys. So this is a nice clock. It's got a pendulum inside, which for whatever reason isn't moving. It might be damaged or something. It doesn't move, but who cares? It still looks very nice on this wall. So, we're just waiting for it to chime. It should be going off here in a few.
Viewfinder, image. Viewfinder, viewfinder, image.
Oh, okay, can't get the time.
Viewfinder, image. Heading not found. Viewfinder, image. 01:30.
Yeah, okay. So we'll just sit here and wait, and hopefully we shall hear this beauty chime. It's not the most realistic, but it's certainly better than the one that I'll be filming here soon, after I do this one. Man, when you're waiting for something to go off, it takes forever. While we're waiting, I'll just tell you to stay. Oh, maybe not. The bedroom clock is chiming now, so you may be able to hear it. So this has two chimes and it's on Wittington at the moment. Any sec now. There it is. It's a very beautiful clock, and the sound is nice. I like it. So I have another clock that I'll be filming the chiming of, which will be in the next hour, because I want to get the hour strike. These do chime every 15 minutes, but the hour strike is always the coolest. So stay tuned to my channel. I have some cool stuff coming. So again, I'm just going to step back so you can see the clock again. That's up on the wall there. Very pretty clock. So hope you've enjoyed this, and see you in another video.